Good morning everyone. Today I want to show you how to wash your dry clothes using the washing machine. So washing clothes properly keep them clean and fresh, also long lasting. Let's go through the step.
Step 1. Sort the clothes. First, we need to separate the clothes light color, dark color and white color to prevent color bleeding. Also, check the clothing label, washing instruction. Into free stains. If there are stains, apply a little stain remover or detergent directly on the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before washing.
Okay, for the step 3 is put the dirty clothes into the washing machine and then be careful to not overload so the clothes can be washed properly. So you can see it's not overload. Okay, so this is a powder detergent. So you can put the powder detergent to component detergent. Next, you need to scan the QR code on the washing machine. Press the start button. The washing machine will clean the clothes in 30 to 60 minutes. You can wait or do something else while the washing machine is working. When the washing is done, take out the clothes and use a dryer to dry it.
And that's it, how to wash your dirty clothes using washing machine. And remember to sort, use the right setting and detergent. Thank you for listening. I hope you will learn something new today. Bye bye.